Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox the most hyped car for this particular case, which is this one. So the Ferrari F40 Competizione, and we did unbox the Ferrari F40 by Tomica. That was a beautiful casting. So I want to see how Hot Wheels uh, does this casting this time. I do know, see, they did this castings long back, before their license got expired or cancelled by Ferrari. So I'm pretty sure they're using the same casting again, but I never owned anything before. So this is my first F40 by Hot Wheels. So okay, I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. I'm not spending a penny more on these things. Let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So a lot of people are actually asking me where I am buying all these cars, any website or any kind of things. See, I don't buy Hot Wheels on any website. So most of the time my friends only help me out. Like 99% of the time, either it can be someone who I already know or someone from my group. It's like that. But I won't buy Hot Wheels over any website or anything, like that. And I'm not going to suggest any website because honestly, man, I know when I'm suggesting a website, I'm not getting anything from them, right? And on top of that, I'm saying that with on my own interest. And some people are actually some sites which I'm buying, they're asking me not to say their name as well. So I'm not going to do that moving forward. And again, more specifically for Hot Wheels, I don't buy from any websites, so I'm not going to suggest any websites there. So that's up to you. Go out and find out. There are a lot of sites actually, but I'm not going to say any names there. So because I don't want to get into any politics there. So yeah, and I usually support local shops only whenever I'm getting whenever the local shops which are nearby me getting any stocks, they usually update me, so I get it from them. And some people are helping me out only to me because I know them for a very long time now, so I'm getting it from them for MRP. Okay, so with that said, let's talk about this casting. So the casting looks really beautiful, and it has a little bit of paint issue here. You can see the paint chipping here. So it has acrylic headlights, that is really nice. It has the Ferrari logo here. The logo placement is good on this one, and you can see the engine detailing here, that also looks really nice. Okay, so it is tinted a bit black, so it is okay. And so it has tail light details, it is embossed on, but it is not painted. But at least they did that. That is really nice. So you can see the exhaust details here, and it doesn't have any chassis detailing here. So it looks like this is a 2025 new casting. I mean, the entire casting they did for 2025 it seems, because here you can see it is saying 2025 model instead of the older chassis versions. So I hope this is the new one, not the reused older ones. So overall the casting looks really nice and it has great detailing to it. Okay, the body is fully metal including the spoiler here, and the chassis is plastic. You can see the Ferrari logo on the sides as well. Okay, they did really well. I'm not going to deny that. It's a good comeback, I can say. Okay, even the straddle looked really nice. Okay, let's weigh this casting. I'm hoping it would come somewhere around 40 grams. Let's see. But I'm not sure if this is going to fit inside the track. Okay, 36 grams, but honestly, it felt a bit heavy in my hand. Even with the blister and without the blister, it really felt heavy. Okay, let's see if it fits. Yeah, it fits. Okay, but it is not crossing the halfway mark. Let's see. Yeah, it is not going to cross. Let's try it one more time. It won't. Okay, it doesn't. I don't see any wheel wobble, but it rolls okay, but it is stuck in between. So, okay, let's rate this car now. Okay, so out of 10, I don't have any negative on this one. Maybe a little bit of paint chipping here. Maybe for that I would, for that and for not rolling really well, I would reduce zero point 0.5. So that's it. So 9.5 out of 10. So maybe yours might not have this paint chipping issue, but I'm not sure whether yours will roll in the track really well. I mean, see, this is the official Hot Wheels track, so it is not rolling, well in this track. So for that reason, I'm reducing that point for including that paint issue and all. But nothing much. Rest everything looks really beautiful and good. So again, don't buy something just because it is hyped up. I mean, honestly, that's up to you, because if you want to pour your money on those kind of things, again, that's up to you. But personally, if you ask me, if you are a Ferrari fan, go ahead with it. This casting looks really beautiful. And if you are a collector, go ahead with it. And if you are a student or someone who's depending on someone else for money, like your parents or someone, so my suggestion would be, okay, so in this, the last six cars, including this one which we unboxed, I would say I would put this one as first, because even though I'm not a, again, I'm mentioning this one more time, I'm not a fan of Ferrari. I'm a fan of Lamborghini. So I want to make it clear, because people would say, because you are a fan of Ferrari or because it's a hyped up car, you are ranking this first or something like that. It is, honestly, I'm not a fan of Ferrari, but I'm ranking this as first this time, because it has good detailing. I mean, great detailing. It has acrylic headlights and everything. So every logo placement and everything looks really nice. So my only nitpick is it doesn't roll really well on the track. That's it. So this one being the first, and second being both the Civic and the Plymouth. So again, I'm, I know that people are scalping this a lot, so it is not easy to get this one. But if you are able to get this one, get it for MRP, not more than that. If you are not able to get this one, then you go with the Civic and the Plymouth, and then with the RD. Depends upon what is your favorite car brand. Because for me, if I see a very well detailed Lamborghini, I would pick that one over any of these things. So this, all this comes under second for me, second or third. So it's like that. That's your personal preference in this particular scenario. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.